Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Salesforce Academy. In this video, we shall understand what Salesforce is. Salesforce is a leading cloud-based CRM platform or software. To understand what exactly Salesforce is, we need to understand the concept of cloud-based software and CRM. Basically, there are two kinds of software. One is on-premises, two cloud-based. So let's start by looking at on-premises software. Imagine you have a business that sells products online like shirts and shoes on platforms such as Amazon or Myntra. So in order to manage your sales data, customer information and other related details, you might choose to use an on-premises software solution. This means you would like to install a software on your local computers or servers. For example, one of your team members suggests using an Excel sheet to store and manage the data. So you get excited and install the Excel app or software on your local computer. You start entering the data such as product color, model, price, quantity, and other customer details day by day. As your business grows, the amount of data you need to store and manage also increases. However, using on-premises software such as like Excel sheet has some drawbacks. Firstly, you need to install the software on each computer in your organization. Suppose if you have 300 employees, you would have to download and install this software on each of their computers, which can be time consuming and cumbersome. Secondly, you are responsible for storing and securing the data on your local machines or your servers. This requires additional resources such as backup systems, security measures to ensure that the data is protected from loss or unauthorized access. So, to overcome these limitations, software companies introduced cloud-based software solutions. Cloud-based software utilize the concept of something called as cloud computing, where your applications and data are hosted on remote servers and accessed over the internet. This eliminates the need for installing softwares on individual computers and allows for more flexibility and scalability. So let's go back to our example of selling products such as shirts and shoes online. So instead of using on-premises software like Excel, you can choose to use something called Salesforce, which is a cloud-based CRM platform. With Salesforce, the application and your data are hosted on servers in the cloud, not on your local computer or not in your company's server. This means that you can access and use the application through a web browser from any computer or any device with internet access. For instance, imagine you have a same 300 employees in your organization. So instead of installing the software on each of their computers, all you need to do is provide them access to the Salesforce Cloud application. They can simply log into the Salesforce from their browsers and start using the application. So, and here the main important thing is Salesforce is responsible to take care of hosting the application on their app servers, and also it is responsible for storing your data in the database servers. This relieves you from the burden of managing infrastructure and data security. Additionally, cloud-based softwares offers advantages such as scalability, as you can easily add or remove users as your business needs change. So it also provides automatic updates, enhancements, ensuring you always have access to the latest features and improvements without the need of manual installations. In summary, if you see what exactly the on-premises and what exactly the cloud-based is, while on-premises software requires installation on local machines and self-management of data, but the cloud-based software like Salesforce offers the convenience of accessing the application and storing data on remote servers, which can be accessible through only internet browsers. This allows for greater flexibility, scalability, and eliminates burden of infrastructure management and data security. Now, let us understand what is meant by CRM and how Salesforce is a CRM platform or software. For any company or business, maintaining a good relationship with customers is crucial. Whether you are a service based company or product based company, the goal is to provide excellent customer service and increase sales by engaging with customer. So to effectively manage and engage with customers, businesses need an application, something called as CRM or customer relationship management software. Let's take the example of Salesforce to understand why it is considered as CRM. Imagine you are running a cab service business similar to Uber or Ola with 300 customer service agents. Your services include app installation, authentication related queries, payment related queries, app usage assistance, driver related complaints, and any other emergency services through your application. Now, let's say a customer has an issue with the payment and wants to raise a ticket with you. In this scenario, there are several aspects to consider. First, you need to provide a way for the customers to reach and communicate with you. Second, out of these 300 customer service agent in your company, you need to identify the one who are skilled at resolving a payment related queries. Lastly, you need to assign the appropriate customer service agents to this case raised by the customer. All these requirements can be fulfilled using the Salesforce by using one of the app or product, something called as Salesforce Cloud, provided by Salesforce. Don't worry, we shall understand in the latter videos about the different clouds provided by the Salesforce. So Salesforce Cloud or Salesforce Service Cloud provides a different ways or channels for customers to communicate with the agents. It allows you to group agents based on their skill set. For example, out of 300 agents, 40 may have expertise in solving payment related queries, while 30 may be specialized in app installation. So with Salesforce, you can group them based on their skills. When a ticket comes in from customer regarding a payment issue, Salesforce automatically assign this case to one of the agents in the group with payment related query skills. So by this, it is simplified and automated the process of customer service, case assignment, and helps the customer service agent to speed up the case resolution. Hence, Salesforce is known as a leading CRM software because it facilitates the relationship with customer by providing features like communication channels, agent skill grouping, and automated case assignment. Now, if we consider the another example, like in Salesforce Sales Cloud, this is another cloud provided by the same Salesforce. So imagine a sales representative wants to track and manage customer interaction and sales opportunities for selling your old example or your own business, which we considered in the previous example, like selling shirts and shoes. They can use Salesforce to input customer details, track previous interactions, log sales activities, and manage the sales pipeline. For example, if a potential customer inquires about particular shirt, the sales representative can create an opportunity in Salesforce, record the customer preferences, and track the progress of sales cycle until the deal is closed. So by using Salesforce Sales Cloud, businesses can effectively manage customer relationships, track sales activities, and analyze sales performance to drive revenue growth. So in summary, Salesforce serves as both a CRM platform and a cloud-based platform that provides various functionalities to manage customer relationships, automate processes, enhance customer service, whether it is through Salesforce Service Cloud or Salesforce Sales Cloud or any other cloud provided by Salesforce. Businesses can leverage Salesforce features and capabilities to streamline operations and build strong customer relationship. By this, we will conclude this video of introduction to Salesforce. In the next video, we will be seeing the benefits of learning Salesforce, and also in the upcoming videos, we will see the both administration and development part of the Salesforce Lightning platform.